G'day, it's Chris O here, Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I've been a tiler for 35 years. I'm doing this floor at the moment. I'll just turn the camera around, put it on my head. It's all plank and it's coming out absolute amazing. It's beautiful, beautiful colour. See the nice colour? Beauty. Anyway, we're well underway. It's the second day. I'm working myself into a corner, but I can't do it any other way. But lean in, there's a bit to learn. Hopefully you pick up a few things that I may be showing you, and you pick it up and you're able to learn. You DIYs, it's an exciting, you know, if you're doing a floor, you do a floor like this for your wife and yourself, she'll love you for a long time. More and more people these days are becoming DIYs, and they're learning how to do it off the internet, YouTube. Subscribe to my channel, there's heaps to learn. You always scrape the glue away from your edge. You must keep those lines clean. You will get a little bit of glue from time to time, but it's no major. It's easy to cut it out with a knife, a Stanley knife, but not major heaps of it. I always stay down on my knees. It's a lot better on your body than up and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's no good at all. So load up with your glue and your tiles and stay down. A lot better on your back. Get some good knee pads. I'll put this cut in after because I don't want to walk over my tiles. And it's easy to cut it in later. Zap your edge. In with your clips. Whooshka. I need some more. I buy these clips online. I save a fortune. I'll probably go through about 2,000 clips on this floor. but they're getting cheaper and cheaper these days. What is wrong with that clip? Nothing, the tile's a little bit high. There's a rubber hammer. I'm always constantly looking at my lines all the time. I always push my clip, my wedge that way, so it pulls the tile into the existing one. Cool. Right. You keep going like that. Do the same procedure all the time. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you soon. I'm watching my lines, making sure they're right all the time, and you just repeat the process. Down goes the glue. Always making sure that you've got your glue away from the edge. You always try to check that before your tile goes down. I forgot my clips, so I better pop them in. Nice. I feel if you do more than sort of 2 rows, you're not able to keep an eye on your lines. You're back here and you're not able to watch, you know, look at that properly. You sort of want to be above it all the time. 1 row's no good because it's too slow. Two rows is fine. If it was a little bit, so if it was a 150 plank, well then you could probably go three wide. But always concentrate on what you're doing and you'll get there. Right, beautiful. Couple of cuts in there. It's always pretty cool with planks. You don't get much waste because your offcut can go in somewhere and start another row with it. Couple of clips. Not that one, this one. Is that one going to be long enough? No, it's short by a couple of mil. That's all right. I'll use it somewhere. Do my glue along the edge of the tile. I'll be running right around the skirting with silicone You never grout it because the vacuum cleaner sucks it out. Yours silicone, it allows for movement. Hello, what are the jets doing? Seeding the clouds. Beautiful.